guys, Prano here, bringing you guys some more craft makers on the channel. And today, my friends, I'm going to have a major build battle with a dear YouTuber, Guhan Plays.
Hi guys, how are you?
As you guys can see, there's a timer right here. We'll be counting down for 30 minutes and let's see who has the better build. Now let's get right into the video. If you want to check out Guhan's video, I link the video down in the description and also subscribe to Guhan as well. So guys, Guhan has also started building. Now let's get right into it. We both are on the same call, don't mind it. Let's start the timer again. I don't know why it reset.
Pranav has started building guys. Now let's also get into the building. Let's start our timer. We both are in the same room so the voices will be heard guys. I'm not going to be showing the entire 30 minutes because that will be the most boring video on YouTube. So I'll be only showing the interesting parts guys.
As Gohan said, I'll also be doing the same. Let's see how our house turns out to be.
After finishing, let's break this wall and let's see how our houses are. We'll be rating each other houses guys on three types: beauty, and then
The looks, the scenery, guys, and the interior. This is what we'll be rating it on, just like Gohan and I said.
each is out of 10 points guys, and then we'll see whoever gets the highest average will be the winner.
Hope we don't rate our buildings better. Hope we don't cheat is a better word. I mean, unfair.
We cannot build outside this guys. We have to only build inside this box, but we can build on that box guys. That's hard.
It's a 15 by 15 surface, guys.
Actually, I'm not breaking the dirt below guys because that will take more time. So I'm going to be just placing blocks upon it, and then I'm going to be just putting a staircase to enter on.
I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Let me just start excavating. I don't know why I'm excavating. Don't ask any questions in the comments and roast me. That's okay.
Stay tuned guys. I'll be finishing the flooring and doing some work, and then I'll be back.
Stay tuned here also, guys. Let me just cover up the ground and I'll get you back. See, guys, Gohan is discouraging himself and he's going to say that in the end that I am a good builder, I am a better player, guys. It's not fair, guys. As you guys can see, I'm not even mostly completed the flooring because it's quite hectic. I need to get building fast because already I wasted 1/4 of the time just layering out the flooring, which is
If
too
you want
much.
to see how Pranav builds, you can check his video out. I'll give the link in the description down below, and I'll also pin a comment and give the link over there. I'll finish the walls and I will meet you guys. So stay tuned.
Guys, I'll also drop a description. I'll also drop a link down in the description. You can also check out Guhan's build. I'll also be going through his build in a brief moment. Guys, without knowing, I stopped the timer over there. So I'll be adding an extra 6 minutes onto my clock at the end. As you guys can see, Gohan has this. That's why I actually don't have a perfect answer. There was a creeper right here, and I was trying to kill it, and I double tapped the timer to stop. I mean the reset. Now let's get back to building. Someone please explain to me what is going on with this skeleton right here. A smoky skeleton? I don't know what to say. What is this, guys? Look at this Gohan. Come over this side. That's okay. Look at the skeleton.
Let me show you guys what is happening over there.
Can someone
What's
please
that?
explain? This looks like mine looks like a huge jacuzzi, and Gohan's looks like a lava pit. I don't know.
That's just a skeleton burning guys because it's day.
I don't even know whether it's there and it's raining. That's why maybe it's just smoking and not in flames. Interesting.
I'm not sure guys. No one cares.
Guys, as you can see, Gohan saw before I could explain to you guys. Mine looks like a huge jacuzzi, but no problem. Never mind with it. I'm going to fill this up with water and I'm going to build a house over it. Let me get back after I filled it with full of water. As you guys can see, we are 12 minutes in because we are adding 7 minutes onto the clock. As you guys can see, my jacuzzi is ready. Now let's get building the building. I really don't know what to say. I built something so stupid right here. Let's start building. I really like the combo of this dark wooden stairs and the quartz block. They look amazing. Let's just build the entrance of a house now. So guys, this is the entrance. I'll complete the flooring and get back to you guys right now. I'm very happy that the rain has stopped guys. I'm in the middle of the bill, but still, I'm very happy to inform that the rain has stopped and more pressure is down on us.
This game is really good, guys. Craft Vegas, you can download and play.
Craft Vegas, please sponsor us. You're not sponsoring us though.
If we get enough like in this video, we'll be doing another build battle, but differently, guys. Not the same concept. We'll be doing a bigger build battle or something like that with more time, or a underwater build battle or something like that, guys. We'll be doing for sure.
Let's go for 5 likes on this video. And we'll do one. No, not 5 likes, 10 likes, guys. Come on. I know you can do it. Guys, I look at this. It looks like a huge motorbike or something. Please don't roast me in the comments if it looks very weird and from your perspective. If you want to see more crazy shenanigans like this, please comment down below and like the video.
Cover this up.
Guys, look at this shenanigan. My house looks like a goddamn bow. I think I'm going to take this as a design. It looks quite good, not so great, but I'm going to continue off this with this design. It's nice. I think it's nice. Don't roast me again. Just saying. What do you guys think? Looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. We'll be back after I complete over the glass stages. So as you guys can see, I'm about done with this design. Looks pretty neat from behind. You can just join it like a boat over there. I don't know how to express it. Let's take a look at how Goon is doing. Man, you're doing fine. Let me just drop some glass over this, guys. Goon, you wanna check out mine?
Yeah, bro.
Come forward. Guys, we have decided to add an extra 5 minutes onto the clock. I don't know. So as you guys can see, I've done a huge jump to this part. I've built in the roof and I've added a lot of interior. Me and Guvan decided to play in different servers as there was a lot of lag. So I muted him out, and this is as Guvan is not over this side. I'll be showcasing his house later on. Oh, Mr. Spot here. Let me just add quartz here. I don't like the glass look here. Yeah, let quartz just be there. On the entrance, let not be glass. So as you guys can see, I have this wonderful interior done until now. Oh my god, what did I just do? As you can see, I've got 2 flat screen TVs, a brewing stand, and used end portals, furnaces, bookshelves, and a lot of other things for beautiful interior. What you guys think? I'm going to add glowstone all around this place. I'll add a glowstone and be back. And I also want to show you the other update. I've added this line of wood all around the house, which makes the quartz look fantastic. The contrast on it looks very nice. I'm not a pro builder though. I'll be developing soon. Don't worry. I'll make a lot of videos and bring content to you guys. Don't worry. I'll finish off the interior and be back. And another update on the build, guys. Sorry, I don't know what happened to the timer. It lagged out there. I'll make sure that I add it on the next video. As you guys can see from the... Okay, sorry guys. Very sorry. As you guys can see, I've added all the glowstone inside the house, and I've also added some brown carpet all around it, which has glowstone under it for the illumination of the house. Solar light is all around the house and no mob spawn inside. I'm really into this LED flat screen TVs, and look at this glowstone, guys. What a beautiful design. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing next. I'm be doing it in front of you guys. I'm going to add wood all around the house. Doesn't it look sweet, guys? Looks so cool. I think I'm definitely going to win this. I did not see Goen's match because we were not, let me see, there was not much secrecy between us, so we did not have any idea. So we both moved to different servers. I had to build this whole building again because Guhan denied because it was his server. So I had to build this full building again. As you guys can see, I have also replaced the whole flooring with wood because I got another chance to build. It looks more sweet. I think we need to add another floor. It'll look better. Let's get inside the house and start digging up. I think let it be here and let's add the wood from there. Oh, missed it. And that looks nice. Let me just go grab myself some ladders. Let's place the ladders right here. And let's go upstairs. What just happened? And here we are upstairs, and let me add some grass all around it. I mean, like leaves. Those leaves make the building look so nice. I'm going to go with oak leaves because they have a dark green and a bright color to them, which is awesome. And my night vision is also about to run out, but still it's morning, so no problem. But it's actually quite dark, not that bright. It's a disadvantage, but that's okay, guys. Let's just continue. Looks sweet, isn't it, guys? I'll be checking out Guhan's house in a few minutes, guys. My clock was not working properly. I don't know why. I also resetted it without knowing, so I did not know what to do. As you guys could see, there's no clock on the side as we have started. Let's get down. So as you guys can see, this is my final result. Such a beautiful building. We'll go check out Guhan's in a minute now. So in 3, 2, 1, here's the reveal of Guhan's house. Hi Guhan, what's up?
Hi Pranav, how are you? Are you ready to check my house out?
Sure do. Man, let me just check out the exterior first. I need to drink some night vision. It's quite dark out here in your server. Pretty cool, man.
My exterior doesn't look cool as your exterior does. We'll be checking this out in a moment, guys, so stay tuned.
I don't know what happened there, guys. Without knowing, broke a block in Guhan's house, but I don't think that's going to matter. Nice, sir. Is this netherrack?
Yeah.
And did you copy my pool idea?
No.
Oh, you also thought of that water. I'm going to give him a minus point, guys, because he's kept the dirt there. But no problem, let's go inside. I think your interior is going to be very well because I see you have spent a lot of time on your interior.
I haven't actually, but okay. Still, this is little crowdy, guys. That means we don't have enough space, but still, it's just 15 by 15. I did as much as possible.
What is this roof thing? It's little out of center. I don't know what it is. Can you please explain?
Oh, that was a chandelier, and I missed the center part. Something like that. I messed it up.
Oh, that's okay. And this is your home cinema.
Something like that. It's just a TV. You can call it home theater or whatever you want.
But did you just realize something?
What?
Look at this. Do you think I can really watch a movie like this? Guys, look at my screen, guys. Do you really think you can watch a movie? But
Bro,
still, no.
Vegas.
That's okay, but no problem. But still, let me go check out this upstairs. Diamond blocks. And I think something's wrong with this ladder. Okay, I think there's some parkour here. But as you guys know, a parkour master, no problem. I'm actually not a parkour master, nothing huge like that. But nothing.
We are new to parkour, guys. I just have an enchanted table, simply.
Just for fun.
And that's for bed.
Nice.
And I have gold blocks.
I really admire your netherrack design.
And I have a couple of bookshelves here and there. I don't read, but still.
But I am an avid avid reader, guys, in real life. You guys don't know. And this is the hole I made in Guhan's house.
Where is it?
Take a look at this, near the home cinema thingy.
Oh.
I don't know what it is. I was drinking night vision potion and without knowing, clicked it also.
Like a Hellcat.